Hi, Ryan from CarsAddiction.com. Thanks for joining. And today we're going to tell you how to get free Hot Wheels. Now, this concept of getting free Hot Wheels is based on buying a 50-pack. So we got ourselves just that. I know that in the past, I said we'll never do it again because it is not worth it. But I said, why not? It's Christmas time and all that. So before I tell you how to get these for free, let's open it up and see what we have. Hopefully we have the same split as we had last time. Now these packs are 50 cars and they're randomly split. Obviously depending where you buy it and whatnot, it has the different sort of batches on that thing. Now this already has a different front print from last time, so hopefully we got the latest cars in here. Okay, now if you haven't known already, I'm into street cars, so I'm looking for that. Let's go through it. We have a Runaway Rescue, don't like that. Ford Mustang in multicolors, plausible, like that. Time Taxi, no thank you. Rip Rod, no thank you. Ford Mustang GT, kind of like that one. A Tankinator, no thanks. Roger Dodger, no. Beetle, no. Honda CRX, yes please. We always like our JDM cars. Rat Racer. Cloak and Digger, no thank you. Chevy Nova, it's kind of nice, but not what I'm after. I believe, no thank you. Nerve Hammer, nope. So as you can already see, we already have a lot of cars we don't like, only 2 of them. La Fasta, no thanks. Ford F1, this is quite cool actually. Really cool paint job. Kinda like that. Baja truck. Kinda like this. Keeping that. Chevelle. Don't like it that much. Big wheels and all that. It's going for so Aston Martin Vulcan. That's nice. Aeropod. Okay, Range Rover Velar. We don't have this yet, and that is something we can keep. A Bugatti Chiron. That is something we can keep. A Mustang 2+2 feedback. Fastback. That we can keep. 96 Porsche Carrera. Definitely a keeper. Okay, we're catching up now, stuff that we like and we don't like. So the 50-50 split seems to actually be happening. Ford Ranger Raptor, something we like. El Vento. Custom 2001 Acura Integra GSR. I've never seen this, quite unique, Greddy. We like JDM cars, so that's a keeper. A Nissan Silva S13, definitely a keeper, don't have that yet. A Mazda Repu, never seen this before. It's cool, it's a truck format and trucks are always cool. Speed Driver, for us, Porsche 918 Spider with white wheels, quite nice. Fish and chips, not our thing. Volvo 850 Estate. Possibly we can keep. Alpine 11 Cup. Yeah, maybe. I know it's a street car, but it's something we really like. Geoterra. No thank you. Surf and Turf. We got this last time and still we don't like it. Modrod. Don't like that. Diora, don't like that. Quick Bite, no thank you. Motorcycles, no thanks. Motorwing, no thanks. Forward Force, no thanks. Honda Civic Type R. Cool. Volkswagen Beetle pickup. Hard one, but don't like that. Last bunch, we've got a custom Cadillac Fleetwood. Not for us. Audi RS5 Coupe, now we're talking. Quite nice. Mind you, I still not find my Impreza, and unfortunately I don't think I'm going to be finding it in this thing. Mega Tuner. Kind of cool. If you have the whole collection, you can see the the real look into this. Kind of like that. Donut Drifter, no thanks. Circle Tracker, no thanks. And we have the Formula E Gen 2 car, no thanks. So cars that we like are 1, 2, 3, 15, 20. So we've got 20 cars that we like and 30 of them we don't. Now, how do you might say we actually make money off this and get these cars for free? Well, simple. We put these up for sale. Now, since we bought this as a 50 pack, the cost per car comes at a reduced price from what you can get it at shop. So these are all the cars I decided to keep. I'm about to tell you how I'm going to be getting them for free. Now, this method relies on the 50 pack. So what you do is head over to Amazon and put it into your cart, but don't purchase it now. Only purchase it when you have other items in your cart. Now, shipping just for this 50 pack on its own would have cost me around 25 euros. Now, by combining it with other items I have, needed to be shipped over, I've combined shipping and saved that 25 euros. That saving is about 50 cents per car. The second step is to document all the cars that you don't want and put them up for sale on Facebook Marketplace. It's free to do so, unlike eBay where you have seller fees and all that. Now, we don't want to be greedy with the prices. We just want to get our money back and cover the cost of the 20 cars or 19 that we are keeping. Which actually relates to what the cars cost to buy them locally or even cheaper. Locally, we can buy them from €2.75 upwards for 50, depending the shop you go to. The shop selling them very cheap doesn't actually have a good selection, so we can afford to sell them a bit more. I suggest selling them in batches of 3 at a good price, such as 3 cars for €10. That way they sell quicker. Now, you might have duplicates and you might have things that you don't like, which other people might like. So it's not unnecessarily you throwing out the junk, it's just stuff you don't like. A lot of people have different tastes. Now, I'm not going to emphasize on the prices of Hot Wheels because they differ from country to country. But if you do your homework well, the unwanted cars, and if you sell them on, you get to actually make money that covers for the cars that you actually want to keep. And even sometimes you can make a profit. In such cases that you just got your money back and you have some cars left over, you can always give them as a gift or use them for customs. Some of them actually have unique wheels and be great for donor cars. Yeah, so basically if you follow those 2 steps, sell them on Facebook Marketplace at a reasonable price and put group sort of packages. If they buy more than one, they get a discount price to make them move faster. You could actually give them away as gifts and make sure when you make an order, you order with other stuff that you require for the house or what you're gonna make an order anyways, so you don't have to pay for postage. This way, you'll get your 50 pack for free. So hopefully those 20 cars, which I put aside, previously, will be free cars for me once I do all the work. Now, as you can see, it is time consuming. So although it's free, you're still gonna spend the time and all that to get the whole 20 cars for free. So my recommendation, again, I said this in the last video, I'm gonna say it again. If you want something, just buy it from the shop, buy what you want only. These cars are really not my interest, so it's just going to be a hassle to sell them off or give them away. So my recommendation, avoid the 50 pack and just go ahead and buy the cars you like in singles. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe. It would mean a lot to me, and it's not always Hot Wheels, it's anything about cars. So make sure you subscribe, and thank you for watching. Take care.